this video, I'll show you how you can fix NVIDIA installer cannot continue error. First thing we want to do is come here and search for services, open it up, and in here we want to press anywhere and press T, look for task scheduler, right click on it and refresh. Once you've done that, you can just close it down. Then you want to search for registry editor. Now in here you want to find this exact folder, and I'll just show you how you can find it. So first what you want to do is you want to open up HKey local machine, go to system, current control set, services, and under services you want to scroll all the way down to T, and then you want to find time broker SVC. In here you want to find start, double click, and change value data to 3 and press OK. After you've done that, you can close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. Thank you so much for watching the video.